Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Giants. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Fantasy Premier League login problem. This might happen due to a lot of reasons, but first we need to make sure that your FPL application is up to date. For that, open your Play Store and search for FPL. So in my case, my app is updated. So if yours is not updated, then you need to update your application. So moving on to second step, what we will do is open our settings, go to apps, here search for PL and tap on storage and clear the cache. Also clear the data, go back and check the permissions. Allow all these. And now your login problem should be fixed. Thank you guys for watching and do not forget to like and subscribe.